In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make snoozed emails reappear at the top of your inbox in SaneBox. It's a really handy feature that can help you manage your emails more effectively, making sure that you never miss an important message that you've snoozed. Let's dive right into it and learn how to set it up in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you usually use. In the search bar, type in SaneBox and hit Enter. What you're looking for is the official SaneBox website, so go ahead and click on the first link that appears, or specifically look for the URL that says sanebox.com. This will take you right to the homepage of SaneBox. Once there, you'll need to log in to your SaneBox account. Enter your credentials and take a moment to ensure you're on the right account, especially if you manage multiple emails. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now this is where we can start tailoring your email experience. Navigate to the section labeled Folders and Features. Sometimes it's just called Folders. The layout might vary slightly depending on updates or the browser you're using, but it should be easy to find on the main dashboard page. In this section, you'll want to scroll until you reach the Snooze Folders area. Here, SaneBox gives you different folders where emails can rest until you're ready to deal with them. Common snooze folders include ones like @SaneTomorrow or @SaneNextWeek. And don't forget, you can also have custom snooze folders that you've created based on your specific needs. Now, when you locate your specific snooze folder, look for a little drop-down menu next to the folder name. This menu allows you to control where your emails will appear once they come out of snooze mode. Click on that menu, and you'll be presented with several options. For our purposes today, you should select Top of Inbox. By doing this, once an email is unsnoozed, it will appear right at the top of your inbox, ensuring it catches your attention promptly. This setup can be a game changer for staying organized and ensuring that important emails don't slip through the cracks. It's all about making your inbox work for you, so you can focus on what really matters without the clutter. Remember, this is something you can tweak over time if your priorities or preferences change. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your email more efficiently with SaneBox. Until next time.